If you want bargain price properties in Southern California, you need to know about this 200-year-old government process. Yes, there are thousands of houses dirt cheap for only the delinquent back taxes. Today's episode is a beginner's guide to Riverside County, California tax deed sales, which are really auctions. With a population of over 2 million, a beginner can expect hundreds of properties to be sold to the highest tax defaulted bidder with starting bids of under $2,000 at the county tax deed auction. Annually, Riverside County auctions the delinquent real estate in the month of April. The auction announcements are posted on the Riverside County Treasurer's website, also online on the commercial website titled bidforassets.com. California, especially Southern California, is an expensive to purchase market when compared to other states. The auction's beginning price is the delinquent back taxes. Hundreds of properties are posted for sale to the highest bidder. Many of the properties receive no bid. In other words, no one that attended the auction is interested. These no-bid properties are a problem for the county treasurer. Revenue from the auction is the money the county government needs to pay the sheriff, the police departments, school teachers, firefighters, and many county employees. No money from the auction means no revenue for the county treasurer to use for payment of bills. The government solution is the county will post notice. If no minimum bid is received, the treasurer is authorized to lower the starting bid price to $1,599. In the past, treasurers have reduced prices to as low as $100. My point is, the official county treasurer is in a must-sell situation. The property which didn't sell is not producing tax revenue for the county. What is your strategy to handle this situation? Obviously, starting bids under $2,000 are extremely low, especially when the viewer understands that many homes in Riverside County are over $400,000, usually $500,000 and even $600,000. Keep in mind, government tax auctions are as-is sales. This means it's the bidder's responsibility to know the property's condition. I'm talking about the physical condition. And it's the bidder's responsibility to have completed due diligence, that's research, and inspected the title for defects. As-is means buyer beware. I frequently say caveat emptor. This is a Latin phrase that means buyer beware. It's a warning to buyers that what they purchase at auction is sold as is, meaning the buyer is responsible for any physical problems with the property and defects in title that might arise. The auctions are final, no refunds. Bidders must take the property as is. Savvy buyers understand the neighborhood is important when it comes to selling. Properties in bad neighborhoods make the resale of the property difficult. This translates to needing boots on the ground to review the property condition and the neighborhood. It's a must. Riverside County requires a deposit of $2,500 upon registration. The treasurer will refund the $2,500 deposit if the bidder does not win a property at the auction. Unfortunately, common sense is not so common. You must know when to stop bidding. That certainly should be planned before you attend the auction. This will require discipline on your part. The auction process starts with boots on the ground while you inspect the property. Only uneducated speculators bid on properties they have not seen or evaluated the property's condition. It's not just the property's condition. The bidder should know and understand the neighborhood's reputation. After all, the next buyer will see the neighborhood before they see your auction bargain for sale. In this business, you make your money when you buy. You collect your profit when you have a large margin between your purchase price at the auction and your selling price into the competitive market. It's important to ask yourself, where are you on the risk-taking scale of things? Successful buyers, many are entrepreneurs, which isn't exactly a walk in the park. Be cautious about traveling through this minefield alone without help. There will be obstacles, and that is why I suggest you seek advice from experienced attorneys and financial professionals. My personal preference is I employ coaches that give me real-life, hands-on experience, which they have developed buying and reselling tax-defaulted auction properties. Now that you know the basics of Riverside County tax deed sales, you're probably wondering, where are the best places to invest in California? Click the video on the screen where I break down the top counties for real estate investors in California, and I take a deep dive into the due diligence steps you must take. You don't want to miss this video.